What's up guys? Welcome to another Deadbeat Deathbox video. Today I figured I'd show you guys how to remove your front bumper. It's quite simple. If you pop your hood, that will be the first thing you'll do. Next thing, your grille, we will have to remove that. You will have, I believe, plastic pieces here. I have zip ties on mine because JDM life. But you should have these two little plastic pieces with a flathead screwdriver, kind of get underneath them and pop them off, and you should be able to remove your front grille. Once you do that, you'll have easier access to get to these 10mm bolts right there, and you'll probably have a plastic piece here that you'll have to pop off as well. So take that off, and if you come to the side of your fender, you will have a 10mm here. You'll have to remove. You will have to come on the opposite side as well and remove the 10mm there. Now, I actually do not have any plastic undercarriage stuff, so if you look underneath and you see the plastic, you will have a couple of 10mm bolts to remove. It's really not that hard. You get those bolts removed. Next thing is next, you are gently just going to pry here. It's easier if you use two hands. I kind of already did it, but just gently like pry right here. All right. Show you guys on this one. There you go. And just be gentle because your fog light wires are still connected. These are your fog lights right here. Press on that tab. Oh, this is easier with two hands. Here, let me use my strong hand. There we go. And just press on that tab. And just like that, that's how you pretty much take off your front bumper.